We start tonight with another financial red flag for Toledo Public Schools and its plan to reduce costs.
Yeah, two companies have reduced TPS's credit ratings by 2 notches, and we've learned that there could be some immediate consequences.
Tim Miller breaks down what this all means. Tim?
Kaylee and Jeff, it's kind of like when we get a credit rating for our personal finances. If we go more into debt, our credit rating will be lowered, and that could cost us money. Last month, Moody's dropped Toledo Public Schools' credit rating from an A2 to a Baa1, 2 notches worse than the previous rating. Moody's wrote, Toledo City School District's financial position has materially weakened following 4 years of operating deficits from rising expenditures that have outpaced revenue. Financial planner Alan Lancz explains what it means.
I think telling them that, okay, get your house in order. It's not, a catastrophe, but, it's something that you got a smoldering fire. Let's just get it out, right?
Standard & Poor's dropped TPS's credit rating from an A+ to an A-. That's also down 2 notches. The downgrade reflects their view of TPS's near depletion of reserves, now likely to negative levels, following several years of operating deficits and the district's failure to make more timely budget adjustments. Lancz says the downgrades could have immediate impacts on TPS.
They're going to be paying higher interest rates right away with the downgrade. And then basically, you probably won't get in the near term approval for new expenditures, right? You got to cut expenses.
In April, the school board passed the Transformation 2.0 plan, a controversial $68 million budget reduction plan that closes some schools and restructures others and makes staffing cuts. Moody's said a successful execution of the plan is needed to stave off further budget deficits. Standard & Poor's warned TPS could have structurally imbalanced operations in 2029 if there aren't more adjustments. Lancz sees some hope.
The good news is, like I said, the longer-term outlook was stable, and the rating is not a disastrous rating. It's still, above average.
The school board is expected to talk about the downgraded credit ratings at their meeting tonight, which started a little bit ago at 5:30. The board, we've learned, could also vote to put a new $6.9 mil property tax levy on the November 3rd ballot, which, if passed by voters, could generate $22.8 million a year to fund current operating expenses. Tim Miller, WTOL 11.